The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is an entry-level DSLR perfect for learning photography. It offers a 24.1 MP sensor and full HD video. Check the link in the description for the best price. How it performs in real scenarios. Perfect for aspiring photographers to grasp manual settings and composition. It delivers good image quality, suitable for family portraits and events. A reliable choice for capturing travel memories, though a bit bulky. The 1080p video and autofocus are outdated for modern vlogging needs. This camera excels for beginner photography, but its video capabilities are quite limited. Assessing its value against the cost, you get a capable DSLR with good image quality for the money. Canon's reputation for dependable cameras adds significant value. It competes well with other DSLRs, but newer mirrorless cameras offer more. Benefit from Canon's extensive EF lens system for future upgrades. The Rebel T7 offers solid value, especially with Canon's strong brand reputation. Understanding the potential downsides. The build quality is solid and reliable for regular use. It's known for consistent and dependable performance over its lifespan. Canon offers good support and a standard manufacturer's warranty. Being a DSLR without 4K, it's less future-proof than mirrorless options. The camera is reliable, but its main risk is its limited future-proofing. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a solid consider for beginner photographers and students. It's dependable for learning manual controls and general use. However, for serious video or future-proof tech, look elsewhere. It's best valued for its core photography learning capabilities.